In this problem, we're going to factor the expression to use the and then use the fundamental identities to simplify. So when I'm looking at factoring this looks like it's a difference of squares because I've got square terms. So I'm going to set up for a difference of squares. I take the square root of tangent to the fourth x, and I get tangent squared. So that's going to go in the front, tangent squared x of both of the binomials. I take the square root of secant to the fourth x, and that's going to give me secant squared x. And I make one a plus and one a minus. Now, my goal is to try to simplify this a little bit more with the fundamental identity. So I'm going to see what I can do here. I know that if I have this Pythagorean identity, so I know when I see secant squared, I'm allowed to substitute in. So I'm going to substitute in my tangent squared, 1 plus tangent squared for that. So the first part, I'm just going to leave alone. And then my second part, I've got tangent squared x minus, and I'm going to put a parentheses, and I'm going to substitute in the 1 plus tangent squared x. Now, hopefully instinct kicks in and tells you, hey, you need to distribute that. So I'd have tangent squared x minus 1 minus tangent squared x. And then I noticed that my tangents cancel. So I would just have -1 times tangent squared x plus secant squared x. I could also distribute that through, so I'd have negative tangent squared x minus secant squared x. So both of these are good correct answers.